Pavement ants, fire ants, and ghost ants commonly cause the worst headaches in southeastern coastal lawns and gardens because the long warm season and sandy soils let them build huge, persistent colonies. Start by identifying the species correctly, since treatment timing and bait choice depend on ant biology. For fire ants, baiting with slow-acting protein and lipid baits placed when workers are actively foraging is most effective. Scatterbait around mounds and along foraging trails in the early morning or late afternoon when temperatures are moderate. For pavement and ghost ants that nest in hardscape or mulch, use small granular baits placed in thin bands near edges and entry points rather than broadcasting large volumes that waste product and harm non-targets. Build a preventive program by applying a granular barrier treatment to the perimeter of turf and planting beds in early spring and repeating mid-season and late season to match the long active period in this region. Amend sandy soils with organic matter to improve moisture retention and reduce the refuge habitat ants prefer, and apply weed matting and clean mulching practices so food and shelter are minimized around structures and garden beds. Finally, perform weekly inspections of likely spots such as irrigation heads, soffits, and under outdoor furniture so you can detect recolonization early and spot treat only where needed. People commonly wait until mounds are huge and difficult to control, which makes baiting ineffective because queens are protected. The fix is to maintain a scheduled bait and barrier program so colonies are suppressed before they expand. Another frequent issue is using fast-killing contact sprays, only which scatter workers and cause split colonies and reestablishment. Pair contact control for emergency mound knockdown with follow-up baiting to eliminate colony members. A third problem is overlooking landscape factors like bare sandy patches and excess mulch that favor ants. Address this by adding organic topsoil or compost to improve texture, reducing mulch depth to 2 inches, and keeping mulch pulled back from foundations. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who regularly handle ant control and landscape remediation, so we help you find providers experienced in regional ant pressures. We also support contractors looking for work and run an active discussion community where we share field tips and local observations.